From Car Sound Security here in East London. We've just secured another vehicle. In this case, it's the Ford Fiesta 2017 with a Ghost Immobiliser to prevent high-tech criminals stealing vehicles very easily. Let me show you how it works. Let's jump into the vehicle. And got the key here. Let's try to start the vehicle. Put the key in, put my foot on the brake, try to turn it on. Not starting. Okay, reason why obviously is the Ghost Auto Watch Immobiliser is blocking it. So what we do, turn the ignition on. I can't show you the code for obvious reasons. Enter the code. You'll hear two chirps. There we go. Now put foot on the brake and start the car. Ready to drive. If you're interested in getting this done on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.